it's really our job to make clear to the new employee what are the cultural norms that have developed in this company over time and what is expected. And I think that by publishing those and communicating those, that we're enabling people to do their very best. Culture is founded in values, and it's defined by behaviors, so that beliefs held firm lead to a series of behaviors that over time become culture. You know, for the customer, a reputation precedes our representative when he goes into the customer. There is a set of expectations that the customer has about Morris. Morris reputation and Morris culture reduces risk to the buyer because they know we're going to follow through on our commitments. Morris best interests are served by the synthesis of the best interests of customers, suppliers, and employees. My father's word was his bond. He did business on a handshake, and he was known as a straight shooter. And he absolutely expected similar behavior from his coworkers. In his life, those that couldn't deal with the truth didn't deal with him for very long, whether they were customer, supplier, or employee. Our company has long had a reputation for delivering on time, keeping its word, maintaining its promises, and it's become a cultural foundation point within our company. And inside our company, there's a culture that got started 70 years ago and continues to today, that the associates of the Morris Group have a high respect and trust in hard work. We came to understand something that I would call a best interests culture. And it simply is that the best interests of the Morris companies was founded in a synthesis of the best interests of our customers, our employees, and our suppliers. These three stakeholders, if their interests are well served, it's almost automatic that the Morris companies win. Finally, I think I would say that inside our culture, it started with my dad, maybe I developed it a bit. There was unvarnished ambition. There was a desire to grow. There was a desire to be all that we could be. And there was a willingness to innovate and not to be protective over ground that had been gained over the years, but to put that at risk in the name of reinventing ourselves to better serve our customers. So that's sort of a summation of the values that were set in place during those first 27 years of the company, and I think they live today. So the challenge for the future is how to take those foundation and founders' values and carry them forward undiluted. I think that really says it all.